Hey everybody, today I'm gonna repair this my daughter's Hello Kitty headphone. I already cut it, but I'm gonna cut it nicely and using the solderless 1/8 jack, mini jack. There you go. Take it out. There's plastic there. There's little screws in it. Yeah, this on the shelf it says $5.19, but I paid $5.49 for it. The cashier didn't want to honor the price on the shelf. Yeah, that's Radio Shack for you. Maybe that's why they're not getting a lot of customers. Bad customer service. You should have ordered my thing, the price that was on the shelf, but they didn't. So if you can find it cheaper elsewhere, buy it elsewhere, because I removed the plastic shelving here. Okay, I removed the shelving. And there's the wire. There's red, green, and copper. There's red, green, and copper. Okay, green goes on the outside. Green goes out here. Green goes here. Red goes here. Okay, so green goes here, outside. Red goes on the inside, and the copper goes here in the ground. Okay. First thing we need to do is to sand it a bit. Some people they burn it. Just sand the wire a little bit, because there's a coating here, so you have to sand that out. I'm using a zero grit sandpaper. Just a little bit. First thing you need to do is put the shelf first. This one first, this part first. Okay, you put this first. Then you put the plastic next. Now you can start screw. I'm using this small screwdriver. Green on the outside here. This is inside, outside. Need to trim this one, it's kind of sticking out. The copper wire goes here. This is done. Now slide this back down. let's try it on. Okay, here's the Hello Kitty headphones. The one we repair. I plugged it in here. This one has a pass-through, so I don't really need the power. I can do it. So I'm gonna press play here. You know if you can hear the sound. I put the sound on volume. Try to fix this Corvette right on car. The battery is dead. If you look online, there's a lot of people having problems with the battery. Because if you put the volume on this thing here. Remove the charger, it overcharges and kills the battery. So this is the original battery. Does it really make a difference? And this is the new one I got from eBay for $24 plus free shipping. So sorry about the noise in the background. It's a little bit smaller on the side, but so it's working. Nicely on all right, that's it. Back here. It's really good. It's not go anywhere. I'll plug it. I'll unplug it. All right, that's it. So this is the solderless repair for headphones, and I guess that's it.